What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo of the Albert Einstein from this one to become this cool vintage style. How to create this transformation? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we will use here is the Gemini AI, and here I am accessing it with my smartphone. And don't worry, because this Gemini AI also very accessible within your laptop, maybe tab, or even the iOS phone. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email to get the access to do the photo editing, guys. And the next step is I will start to click this create image, and I will start to upload the reference picture from my gallery, and I will choose this picture and click done. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and basically the prompt will be like this, guys. You can change or you can put the detail first: a retro, vintage, grainy yet bright image of the reference picture featuring the Albert Einstein. He's dressed in the perfect black Pinterest style, aesthetic retro overcoat, and stylish dark sunglasses. And also the image captures in the I'm sorry, the image captures a timeless and stylish vibe reminiscent of 90s movie poster. Okay, and also he has a short, neatly styled black hair. We can also change the hair color. The man stands against a solid minimalist and slightly textured wall with a deep shadow and dramatic contrast, adding the mystery and also the artistic depth. And also the warm lighting with the golden tones evoke a sunset or golden hour glow. And his expression is moody, calm yet happy, and also introspective, exuding effortless charm in a cinematic retro atmosphere. And don't worry guys, because I will also share you this prompt into the description box, and you can simply copy it. And after that, I will start to generate it, and kindly wait for the output down here, guys. Basically the generation process will take the maybe 15 seconds until 30 seconds, depends on the complexity of this prompt. And kindly wait for the result, and finally this will be the output. Isn't that cool, right? And also you can simply download it if you want to, or you can also share it into your favorite social media. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.